Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of Group 10.4. Our Android application is a mood tracker-like product which can record users' emotion, activities, and location. Our application contains several APIs and sensors. So let's start. For the first time when user log in, it will require users to enter some information about information here. And here we can see that it will require user to input the first name, last name, gender, and birthday. This information will be stored in the setting page later, and user can change it. For now, we just input some random information here. Now it goes to the main activity of our application. This is also the main feature of our application. We can see there are 3 buttons at the top, which are selfie, photo, and menu. The selfie button allows user to take a selfie using the camera sensor, and it will upload the selfie to the Amazon Web Service, which is a face recognition API that can analyze the user's emotions in the picture. The next is photo, which will ask user to select a picture from the gallery, and then it will also submit it to the Amazon API and to do an analysis. And the last is the menu button, which asks user to enter their information manually, and we will record this information in our app later. For now, let's see the selfie function. Here is a emulated camera, so this one is simulated, but we can still try it. Let's take a selfie now. And now it's uploaded to the Amazon Web Service, and the API is doing an analyze here. And now we can see the result, which show that it's not human because the picture cannot be detected as human. And now we have 2 buttons at the bottom, which is not correct, and then we can enter manually or continue. For now, let's continue with this result. Means that we are satisfied by this result, and continue. Now we come to the activity page, which user can continue to enter their activities, location, and some message in this page. For now, we just change some activity here. For the rest of them, we leave them as what they are looking what they are right now, and the information will also be stored as this. And for the location, we can get our location here. And the Han Street, which is the simulator location, is print here. And in this box, we can input some message and to see the result, and we can see the result later. So for now, we just say record message. And confirm. Now we can see that the information is saved successfully. Let's go to the calendar page and see the result. So now today is the November 3rd, and we can see there's a unknown face here. When we click on it, we can see the result of our emotion that we recorded before. And the title is November 3rd, which is today. And the mood is unknown. The location is Hana Street. And the social state and the food is the fast food. Just same as what we recorded before. As well. And this is the message that we also input before. And for the rest thing, for the first two small face, that's what when we were doing the test on the system. So it's also showed on the screen. And now we can see the photo function. So here we will ask user to select a photo from the picture gallery. And we can select this one. And it returns out the face is set and the confidence is 99%, which means that we are pretty sure the face is set from the API. So if you are not agree with this, you can use the left button here. And here we can see that their family movie will keep them as same. And if we change the emulator, if we get the sensor, if we clean the collision, the collision will be cleaned. And when we click when we click on the get location button, it will use the GPS sensor to get the GPS to get the latitude and the longitude of our place, and then we will submit it to a place API that returns the street name and the city name from the API, and we will print this result here. And for the mood, we can now choose because we didn't approve the previous result. So now we select discussed, and we can input some new message here and confirm. Now it's saved successfully. Let's go back to the calendar. Now we can see that the face has changed and also the result has changed, which the mood can become the disgusted. The last one is menu input. This one will be much similar to the previous one, so I won't show it again. I can cancel this. And also for the photo, if user misclick it and want to go back, the user can click this button and it will return back. For the rest things, they are discover and setting. Let's see this setting first. Now we can see that setting shows the first name, last name, just same as what we input before. And there are night mode button that we can click to change the night mode. And when we click on again, it changes back. And also we can see that other pages are turned to the black, which is the night mode. The last thing is the discover. Here we input some articles in it so that when user has some emotional issues that they can read this article to find out the solution. For example, here we can see if the user is not happy, then he can read this and understand what the happiness. And similar some articles are here. So this is for the first time login. When the user login again, let's restart this application here. And we can see the login page will not show up again because we have already got the information from user in the setting. So this is our presentation for our application. Thank you for your watching.